feeling OCD. At this university.
Hi, welcome to Vinyl Luca. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a song on your iPhone. We're going to be using an app called GarageBand, which was created by Apple to help people create music on the go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go download GarageBand if you don't have it already. After it's downloaded, go and enter the app. You'll see a little blue plus in the top right corner. Click on that to create a new song. After you've clicked on that, you'll see a list of instruments and options. Click on the one that says audio recording. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see a page that looks something like this. Go to the very top left corner and click on the third cube that looks like a bunch of bars. If you did that correctly, you'll be at a page that looks like this. Here is where you'll be creating the music. Before you do anything, you're going to click the top right little plus sign up there, then click a thing that says Section A. You're going to spam up on the arrows until you're at about 30. This decides how long your song is going to be. After you've done that, you have two options. You can select the little plus sign at the bottom left of the screen or the loop-de-loop looking thing at the top right of the screen. We're going to be pressing on the loop-de-loop, which brings us to a bunch of Apple loops, which are little samples of music that we can put into our song. If we press the genre button, we can go and see a bunch of different types of music that we can put into our song. For this video, I'm going to be picking hip-hop R&B. Next, I'm going to pick what type of instruments I want to use. For this video, I'm going to be picking piano. Now you can look at all the different types of piano loops you have. If you want to listen to the song, press it once. If you want to select the song, hold it down and drag the loop into your song. If you want to listen to what you have so far, press the little play icon at the top of the screen. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag a couple more loops into my song. If you want to change anything about the song, double tap it and go to settings. Here you can change the speed, its pitch, and just everything about it in general. Here I'm going to make the loop a little bit slower. Once you're done working on the song, go to the top left and click the little upside down triangle. Click My Song and it will automatically save it. This is just the very basics of GarageBand. You can do a whole lot of crazy stuff on here. Let me know by giving it a like or something, and I'll make a part 2 where I go more in depth of how to do all the crazy things and make awesome songs on GarageBand. Thank you so much for watching. I post content like this all the time, so subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.